Welcome to Season 12, Episode 1 of The View TV.
Let's take a glimpse into
The View TV. Welcome back, Bears. It's Friday, August 15th in the second week of school.
This is Season 12, Episode 1 of
The View TV.
I'm Lele.
And I'm Kenda, and we'll be your host today.
The word of the week is inexorable, which means impossible to stop or prevent.
Can I use it in a sentence?
Go for it.
The excitement of coming back to school was inexorable.
Let's see what's happening in this week's video segments.
This is a drone. Drones are fun, but they can also be scary, and they take a lot of work to be able to get them ready. But sometimes, if you just look deeper down inside of the drone, and you don't focus as much on how long it's going to take, or what you're going to have to do to get it ready, and you just focus on what you're doing, sometimes it can get a lot easier. Here are a couple examples of drones and their parts. So the first part we can see is an ESC. This is what connects the motors and controls them. Those are the motors that I'm also pointing at. That is the FC, which controls the ESC and motors, which is also attached to a camera, which also has a VTX. The camera and VTX work together to be able to display a video to my goggles. We also have a receiver unit, which I am pulling out now, that allows my drone to connect to my controller. Thanks, and I hope you learned something.
How to make an egg sandwich with Emily. Crack at least 2 eggs from the ingredients given. Add some salt. Spray the pan with oil or butter if you're that type. Leave for 5 minutes. Add the eggs after you've made sure the pan was heated enough. The clips are trimmed, so not everything is included. Make sure to flip the egg after the ends are browned. Add the egg on one slice of bread, leaving the other one to close the sandwich. This is completely optional, but I prefer to cut my sandwich diagonal. And there you have it, your quick breakfast meal.
Deca, we are marketers and leaders. We stand out,
go above and beyond.
and most of all, we do it in style. By learning growing, traveling, and networking.
By serving our community and developing our business skills.
We become the next generation of leaders.
In DECA, it all starts in the classroom.
This isn't your typical classroom. This is a classroom to gain real-world experience in what you want to do in life.
Interested in a career in marketing,
Entrepreneurship,
Retail,
tourism,
automotive sales.
DECA has everything for you.
That brings us to competitions,
It's kind of like solving a business problem and explaining it as best as you can.
but with your best friends and in front of a judge.
Left to admit it, I'm winning, no limit, wow. I feel like moving, keep grooving, no sitting down.
DECA is the largest student organization in the world for business, marketing, finance, and hospitality.
The largest in the world. And you know what the best part is? You meet amazing people, you have amazing experiences, but you also have the chance to give back to your community.
and you can even go the extra and earn scholarships.
We'll make it look easy singing.
Go the extra mile.
The extra degree,
The extra level, the extra step.
Now it's your time. Go the extra.
Hi, my name is Patrick Botello, and today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to change your RGB lights from your 60% keyboard from Draconic. So once you have plugged in your keyboard, it should look normally like this. Alright guys, so once you have gotten here, you're going to want to click the button right next to the FN key and click 9. So what you want to do is click the button right next to the FN key right here and click 9. That will select a different mode of keys. So now we have a little streaking effect and this little rainbow effect. That was pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Skills USA is a great opportunity for its members and even alumni and advisors to just be a part of something that they enjoy. We have several leadership opportunities and events, and that really helps students come out of their shell and grow.
You have all the way from like nursing to automotive tool ID, which is what I do. I like learning new things, and so it was just the perfect match for me.
I heard about Skills USA because I was in a career management class. They kind of encouraged me to join. They said that it's a lot of community service, and I've always enjoyed like giving back to others.
Skills USA not only connects people to each other, it allows us to be able to like do good deeds for people.
I definitely have gained confidence. Like I won't go into the workforce totally like blindsided by everything. I'm already getting a first-hand experience of what it will be like.
My confidence has definitely grown being in this organization because I've had several opportunities to talk in front of people, to meet new friends, and I've definitely gained leadership skills.
Biggest impact from Skills USA is just the community environment that is provided. I've gotten a lot of new friendships that are going to last a long time, and it's kind of helped me throughout my life.
My favorite Skills USA experience was competing in mobile robotics at Nationals.
It's got me out of my comfort zone. You know, like I'm so used to just being like the shy person, the quiet person, but there, you know, it's helping me meet more people and be more open.
Skills USA is fun.
It's just a great opportunity.
Just help students come out of their shell.
I would definitely say join Skills USA because it feels like a family. It's definitely fun.
Come find your community.
Test your skills.
Go places. Join Skills USA.
Join now.
This concludes this week's episode of The View. Thank you all for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel and follow our Instagram account for weekly updates. Enjoy your weekend, and the very wise and inspiring words of someone.
Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again.
We'll see you next time on The View. As you go about your day, always remember, life is like a stage and someone's always watching. Stay excellent, Mountain View.